Policymakers need to know, did a policy really make a difference? But in real-world settings, controlled experiments are rarely possible. We rely on quasi-experimental methods to estimate causal effects. People affected by a policy are often different from those who are not, so simple comparisons can be misleading. The goal is to construct credible comparison groups. There are different ways to solve this problem. We illustrate three widely used approaches with real European policy applications: matching methods, discontinuity designs, threshold-based comparisons. Coarsened exact matching compares individuals who are similar across key characteristics. It groups individuals, for example, by prior performance or demographics, and matches them exactly within those groups. In a study on grade inflation, CEM was used to compare similar students over time. The results showed that grade inflation increased during COVID-19 and mainly benefited weaker students. Matching helps isolate hidden mechanisms behind observed trends. Difference in discontinuities combines two ideas: comparing individuals around a cutoff and comparing across cohorts over time. A reform increased the compulsory schooling age based on date of birth. Researchers compared individuals just before and after the cutoff across different cohorts. This design isolates the effect of reform from other age-related or time trends. RDDD strengthens causal inference when multiple sources of variation exist. When it comes to regression discontinuity design, this one exploits policy thresholds. Units just above and just below a cutoff are assumed to be very similar. Schools received extra funding if the share of disadvantaged students exceeded 10%. Researchers compared schools around this threshold. The policy reduced underachievement even if average achievement did not increase. RDD provides clear causal evidence when rules create sharp thresholds. Different quasi-experimental methods answer the same core question: what is the causal impact of a policy? Matching compares similar individuals. RDDD combines cutoffs and time variation. RDD exploits policy thresholds. Choosing the right method depends on the policy setting. Strong evaluation leads to better policy decisions.